Uh, Today's topic is duality, right? Duality. First you have to understand what do you mean by dual. So how this term dual comes into picture? What do you mean by dual? Actually, what happens? In circuit analysis or in graph theory, we have some dual networks. Dual networks means network 1 and its dual network 2. There is one network 1 and there is one network 2. Both are said to be dual of each other. If they are dual of each other, so you can find that all the properties of network 1 is exactly same as the properties of network 2. Or this network will give the same power or same impedance matching. Everything will be same as the network. Then these two circuits are said to be dual of each other. Of course, this circuit and this circuit is different. When you see the circuit, both the circuits are different. But if these two networks are dual of each other, if they are dual of each other, then at that time you can say the properties of both the networks are same. Or can say in graph theory, graph of this network 1 is G1 and graph of this network is G2. If the incidence matrix of both the networks are same, if the incidence matrix of IA1 is same as incidence matrix of IA2, then you can say these two networks are dual of each other, graphs are dual of each other. Of course, circuit will be different, but properties, overall properties will remain same. Then we say that the two networks are dual of each other. Or just take a basic example. Voltage source connected in series is converted to current source in parallel. So these two circuits are different. In one circuit there is voltage source and resistance, and another circuit there is current source and resistance. These two circuits are different, but properties, overall properties are same, overall power is same, overall current is same. Therefore, these two circuits are dual of each other. Getting my point? Means you have seen that changing voltage source to current source does not affect the circuit properties. Therefore, these two circuits are dual of each other. So basic example is this. The basic example of duality is like voltage source connected in series. इसका dual क्या हो जाएगा? Current source in parallel. These two circuits are dual of each other. Here the properties comes duality. Even though the circuits are different, but the properties are same. I hope so everybody understood what you mean by duality. Now we have to study some properties, how to convert one circuit to dual of another circuit, conversion of circuit to a dual of its circuits, and how to convert it. Okay. So first property is voltage source. Means duality property. We can say what you have to do. So first is I will start with voltage source. This voltage source in dual network can be directly converted into current. You can directly convert into current. Whenever there is a voltage source in a circuit, directly you can convert voltage source into current source in a dual network. Okay? I am not talking about source transformation. Forget about it, source transformation. We are studying duality. Okay? If the voltage source of suppose V volt is given, its dual will be a current source of value same. Value of voltage and current will not change. the value will remain same. Suppose this is 10 volt, then this will be 10 ampere. Suppose V is equal to 10 volt, then I is equal to 10 ampere. In duality properties, in duality conditions, there is no ampere. Right? So don't change the values. Next is resistance. Suppose resistance is given. R ohm resistance is given. In case of duality, resistance is converted into conductance. Resistance is directly converted into conductance. Remember this. Voltage source is converted into current source. Resistance is converted into conductance. Or you can say resistance is converted into resistance also. But the value of conductance we are finding. Okay? Its duality R is converted into G. And value will remain same. Let's suppose यहाँ पे 2 ohm है, तो G की वैल्यू भी यहाँ पे 2 ohm हो जाएगी. So what exactly I want to give the message? Resistance is converted into resistance, yeah, conductance, but value will be not 2 ohm, it will be 2 mho. 2 mho बन जाएगा. It becomes conductance of value. Value remains same, but its unit is converted. Its unit is changed. It becomes mho. और अगर आप ओम लिखोगे तो 1/2 ओम लिखोगे. Okay, if you are writing resistance, you have to write 1/2 ohm. Or if you are writing conductance, so conductance remains same. So directly you can say R is converted into G. Here V is converted into I. Value remains same. Third case is inductor. What will be the value in inductor? Inductor L. Inductor is converted into capacitor. Directly you can convert inductor into capacitor in case of converting one network into the network of dual network. Direct L is converted into C. L Henry is converted into Farad. Okay? Value will remain exactly same. Suppose the value of L is 10 millihenry. Value of capacitor will be 10 millifarad. 1 Henry, 1 farad. 100 Henry, 100 farad. Like this. Value of L and C will remain same. But only thing is, the inductor is directly converted into capacitor and capacitor is directly converted into inductor. Next, capacitor. Capacitor is converted into inductor. Okay. Whenever capacitor is given, you can directly convert capacitor into inductor. Capacitor X farad. If it is X farad, the inductor value will be X Henry. Okay. We will understand when we solve one numerical, when we convert one circuit into its dual. Okay, I hope so everybody understood how to convert inductor, capacitor, voltage source, current source. Okay. Similarly, opposite current source can be converted into voltage source is converted into current source, vice versa. ये उल्टा हो सकता है.
सर एक बार वो सेकंड नंबर का बताओ ना.
हाँ सर, सेकंड वाला.
रेजिस्टेंस.
वो नहीं समझ.
रेजिस्टेंस.
हाँ सर.
When in one circuit resistance of 2 ohm is given, okay? In one circuit resistance is 2 ohm is given. When you convert that this circuit into dual circuit, there you have to connect a resistance, or there you have to connect a conductance of 2 mho. Value will be 2 mho. और 1/2 ओम। देखो रेजिस्टेंस एंड कंडक्टेंस बोथ आर सेम थिंग, कोई डिफरेंट नहीं। आप रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू लिखोगे तो 1/2 ओम लिखना पड़ेगा, या ये राइट कंडक्टेंस इज इक्वल टू 2 मो, ठीक है, नॉट 2 ओम, 2 मो you can write the resistance is equal to 2 ohm, and here you have to write conductance is equal to 2 mho, और resistance is equal to आपको पता ही है, resistance is reciprocal of conduction 1/2 ohm, ठीक है। this is also right and this is, ठीक है। now your doubt is clear, I hope so, ठीक है। so only these elements we have already studied: voltage source, current source, resistance, inductor, capacitor. now we are in position to convert one network into its dual network, ठीक है। हम एक simple will take a basic example, and while taking that example I will explain you the properties also. Simple circuit we will take and convert that circuit into its dual. Only thing you have to remember, the values will not change. 2 ampere, 2 volt, 1 farad, 1 Henry, 1 Henry, 1 farad, like this. We'll see the simple example, simple basic circuit. One voltage source with one resistance, capacitor, inductor, and another. Simple basic circuit is given. Question is asked, find the dual of the following circuit. We have to draw the dual of the following circuits. Okay? We have to draw the dual of this circuit. So how to draw this dual? So this is a graphical method. Okay? Drawing the dual of the circuit is a graphical method. There is no need to write equations and other things. Making a dual of this network is a graphical method. Convert voltage source into current source, resistance into conductance, capacitor into inductor, and inductor into capacitor, and draw it. What are the steps you have to follow for drawing the dual of the network? Since it is a mesh equations, it is a voltage source and mesh equations are given. So first step, the graphical method का जो first step है, the first step used for writing a dual equation, for drawing a dual network, we have to apply is draw the dot. Suppose this is mesh 1, make one dot in mesh 1. Make another dot in mesh 2. We have two meshes, mesh 1 or 2 loops. In the loops, you have to make a dot marking. Okay? Dot 1, dot 2, and make one dot outside. Make one dot outside. And give it a name. A, B, C. Give it a name A, B, C. Okay? Or in fact, we have drawn the nodes. We have made the nodes of dual. What is our question? The simple circuit is given. You are interested in drawing the dual of this. We know the properties: voltage source, current source, resistance, conductance, inductor, capacitor, inductor. So drawing, we use the help of graphical method. The very first step is identify the nodes. Nodes are made inside the mesh, and one ground node, datum node, is taken out. So I will draw the dual of network in right hand side. Node 1, this is node A, B, and this is C. Here I have to draw the dual. This is node A, node B. Now what you have to do, by dotted line, cover each and each elements. Okay. First I will come to this point, A to C. You can see the graphical analysis. Okay. I am coming A to C through this element. Okay. I am coming A to C through voltage source V0. I am coming A to C through voltage source V, and its dual of voltage source is current source. So directly you can join A to C by current source. Here it is V. Here you can write V ampere. You can write like this. समझ रहे हैं? First connect A to C using voltage source. A to C आपने connect किया voltage source. What element is voltage source? Dual of voltage source is current source. Therefore, I converted A to C is current source. Second, come A to C, convert all the elements. Now what I am doing? Now I am tracking resistance R1, A through R1 to C. A through R1 to C is resistance of R1 ohm, so you can write here R1 mho. A to C is connected voltage source, resistance R1 ohm is converted into R1 mho. This is important. This is conductance R1.
Sir, 1/R ohm भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
Yes.
1/R ohm.
1/R1 ohm you can write. 1/R1 ohm you can write, or R1 mho. Now it's not possible. A to C connection is not possible. First I can pass through V and then R1. Now go to A to B. A to B is capacitor. A to B is capacitor. To directly convert A to B, dual of capacitor is what? Inductor. So A to B is connecting a inductor of C Henry. A to B is capacitor. Dual of capacitor is inductor. Therefore, I connected A to B. This entire node is A. A to B, between A and B, I connected a inductor of C Henry. Now come to B. Same procedure what I applied on left hand side. Connect R2. B to C. B to C is R2. I can write B to C is R2 mho. And again B to C, L. And L is converted into capacitor.
Yep.
So you can instead of L, you can write a capacitor of Henry, L farad. This L Henry is converted into a capacitor of L farad. This is how you convert the mesh equations into a nodal equation form. Mesh circuit form to nodal circuit. This circuit will have same property as this. Same power, same energy, everything will be remain same. Maybe some current will change, but the overall performance of this circuit is same as this. Therefore, these two circuits are called as dual of each other.
Sir, वो बीच का कैपेसिटर नहीं ले गए क्या?
What?
वो सर बीच का कैपेसिटर
A to B लग गया ना? Between A and B. A and B capacitor is there of C farad. So A and B what I have connected? Inductor of C Henry. Capacitor is converted into inductor and inductor is converted into capacitor in dual circuit. This capacitor becomes inductor and this inductor becomes capacitor. Now in next
और सर जैसा C2, जैसा आपने A2C इस साइड से किया ना, लेफ्ट से।
हाँ हाँ
हाँ, तो वैसा ही A2C अपन कैपेसिटर की साइड से नहीं कर सकते क्या? मतलब वैसा नहीं हो सकता क्या?
नहीं, जस्ट चेक। ए टू सी आप गए, फिर ए टू सी कहते देखो ये लाइन भी कट रही है, यू कैन नॉट कट दिस लाइन, you have to join you have to join two nodes through any element, not through line. ठीक है, joining two nodes a to b, a to c, b to a, b to c, that should be through element, not through line. अब a to c चले तो जाओगे, लेकिन फिर यहां से यहां थोड़ी आ सकते, लाइन कट जाएगा। ये शॉर्ट सर्किट का लाइन इज शॉर्ट सर्किट, तो शॉर्ट सर्किट का ड्यूअल क्या होता है? ओपन सर्किट, मींस दिस लाइन इज ओपन। आपने इवन दो कैपेसिटर इंडक्टर लगाया, लेकिन उसको ओपन लटका के रखना, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। ठीक है,
ओके सर।
ओके, तो यू कैन सी कि आप इसकी इक्वेशंस भी लिखोगे ना, तो इस ड्यूअल इक्वेशंस इज इक्वल टू नोडल इक्वेशन। अगर आप इसके मेश इक्वेशन लिखोगे और इसके नोडल इक्वेशन लिखोगे, these two equations will remain same. Mesh equation is equal to nodal equation, then we can say that these two circuits are dual of each other, dual of each other. Next question आप करते हैं तो आपको थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। We'll try to do one more question. I hope so everybody understood this. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Always don't carry that doubt with you. It's a very simple thing, very easy thing. Only thing is you have to concentrate it and understand it properly. We can draw the dual of some other networks also. 50 volt, 2 Henry. 5 ohm. Just try to convert this circuit to its dual. First step, graphical method is draw nodes, take nodes. Nodes will be equal to number of mesh plus 1. Mesh देखो कितनी है? 1, 2. और number of loops plus 1. Number of loops are 2. The number of nodes will be 2 plus 1, 3. To draw node, node A, node B, and node C. ठीक है? You have to draw node A, B, C. Node A, node B, node C. Node A, node B, and node C. Node आपको ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे। ठीक है? Then try to draw it. Draw करो जल्दी। This is node A, node B. Graphical method, dotted line से बनाओ। A to C. Current source. वैल्यू सेम रहेगी 50 एम्पियर।
A to C through inductor.
Then A to C through inductor. Inductor becomes capacitor.
Capacitor.
Capacitor of value. Capacitor.
Farad.
2 farad. Right?
2 farad.
ठीक है? Here A to C. Here also A to C. Now A to B 5 ohm. A to B 5 more you can write. or 1/5 ohm. Then B to C, rest you can do. Rest you can do.
सर स्क्रीन अटक गई है।
ओके, बन गया ना सबका?
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर।
I hope so everybody is there. Here will be 6 Henry and resistance will be 10 more. ठीक है, और 1/10 ohm, 1/10 ohm. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
सर इसका मेश टू नोडल आता तो उसका वाइस वर्सा भी आता क्या पेपर में?
क्या बोले
सर जैसे अपन ने अभी मेश से नोडल बनाया ना,
हाँ हाँ, हम उल्टा कर रहे हैं।
हाँ तो उसका वाइस वर्सा आता क्या पेपर में?
रिवर्स भी आता है, रिवर्स भी आर मेकिंग।
हाँ ठीक है।
reverse we are making, reverse is also possible. Suppose this is current source of 10 ampere. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ड्रॉ द ड्यूअल ऑफ दिस सर्किट। Same steps you have to follow. How many meshes are there? 3 mesh. So 3 nodes and 1 ground node. 4 nodes you have to take. Okay? There will be no change in procedure. Same procedure you have to follow. This is node A, this is node B, this is node C, and this is node D. Your final circuit will be node A, node B, node C, and node D. Anybody having any doubt? Identify the number of loops. 1 loop, 2 loop, 3 loop. 3 loop means 3 meshes. The number of nodes will be 3 plus 1. This is node A, node B, node C, node D. Right? Just complete the circuit using the dotted line. देखो dotted line A to A to D current source, कितना ले रहे हैं हम current source? Suppose 10 ampere is given. Your voltage source will be 10 volt.
10 volt.
10 volt directly. Same value होती है, ये याद रखो. Always remember the value of voltage source and current will be same. A to B 5 ohm. 5 ohm is converted. A to B के बीच में क्या है आपका 5 ohm resistance है, dotted line. A to B 5 ohm dotted line. So 5 ohm is converted into 5 mho. You can write G is equal to 5 mho. Or if you are writing resistance, then you have to write 1 by 5 ohm. B to D आ सकते हैं आप देखो. B to D like this. B to D you are coming. B to D is 2 farad. So 2 farad is 2 Henry. B to D is 2 farad. So 2 farad is converted into 2 Henry. B to C. Check everybody. What is B to C? What is between B to C? 12 Henry. This 12 Henry is converted into capacitor of 12 farad. B to C. Inductor. B to C. The inductor gets converted into capacitor. Capacitor of value same 12 farad. B2C inductor, B2C inductor in converted into capacitor in its dual level. C2D resistance of ohm 6 ohm. C2D resistance of 6 ohm is 6 mho. Resistance get converted into conductance. You can write G is equal to 6 mho. ठीक है? Resistance get converted into conductance. One more capacitor is there, 6 farad. C2D. 6 farad is converted into inductor. अब C to D convert करना आप यहाँ भी बना सकते हो. 6 Henry. Now, if you are having any doubt or queries, then you can ask. कोई भी कंफ्यूजन होगा तो आप पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है? It's very simple. Only once you have to draw and practice. Anybody having any confusion, doubt? Just check. C2B 12 Henry, C2B 12 farad. C2D 6 ohm, 6 mho. C2D 6 farad, 6 Henry. Inductor, capacitor, capacitor, inductor, voltage source, current source, voltage source, resistance, conductance. RG. Okay? Values will remain same, exactly same. You cannot change the values of this. Okay? एक चीज मैंने आपको I forget to tell you, if there is a key in a circuit, भूल गया था आपको बताने के लिए, अगर कोई की है, स्विच है आपके पास, तो ओपन सर्किट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू शॉर्ट सर्किट एंड शॉर्ट सर्किट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ओपन सर्किट. ठीक है? तो की का मैंने बताया नहीं आपको. ओपन सर्किट OC is converted into short circuit and vice versa. If there is a key in a circuit, any key is there in the circuit, so open circuit is converted into short circuit or short circuit is converted into open circuit, vice versa. ठीक है? ये आप ये भी लिख लो in your duality property, जो हमने duality circuits लिखे थे. So key can be converted into open circuit, can be converted into short circuit, and short circuit can be converted into. That's all. That's not very difficult, very easy है. ये आपका duality part आज finish हो गया. So some in next class Monday we'll write some equations of inductor and capacitor. Mesh equation of inductor and capacitor we have not written. ठीक है? And in time response basis. Okay. We will write some equations and we will study the polarity marking. Polarity marking in the network से एक small topic बच गया तो वो हम कर लेंगे. Or you can say concept of mutual inductance. What will be the effect of mutual inductance? Dot marking ये हम next. Anybody having any doubt or queries तो they can ask. किसी को कोई confusion, doubt, queries है तो पूछ सकता है. Anybody having any doubt, queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Have a very happy weekend. That's all for today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.